Hello everybody, it's Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do my kind of kill a kit, although it's not, of my how to kill a kit with style. So if you can remember, my goal was to work through some of the fun projects for the layout paloozas that I have. I have two paloozas in one box here, and I managed to get three full layouts and the start of two other ones, so 5, and I think I still have like 4 layouts from Palooza 2 still to do, and I haven't touched Palooza 3 yet, so that's still down there. But I definitely feel like I did really well with what I did get done. So let me show you. Let's see if I can show you here. So I just did my layout share, so they're all mixed in here. Now things are falling. Sorry guys, I should have been more organized. So these are the 3 that I got done, and this was the first one I did. Really love the way that that one turned out. And then I did this one, as well as this one, and apparently I did not glue everything down on that one, so I need to do that. So 3 full ones done, which make me really, really happy. And then I also have started, this one's almost done, this one. And then I also have another one that I kind of started, but it needs a little bit more work, so I won't share that one. So yeah, I'm really pleased with what I got done, and it's nice to be digging into these classes. Christina does an amazing job with this, so if it's something you're interested in, I'm sure she'll have another one up sometime this year. It's highly worth the value and money that it costs, and I just would highly recommend going ahead and doing it. It's a ton of fun, lots of inspiration, multiple ways to switch it up to fit your style, and yeah, I just had a lot of fun. So that is where I'm at with that. I'm going to bring it into April, do a few more. This is a great thing to take downstairs and work on during the day, so that's probably why I've gotten so much done, because I've been able to do it downstairs. All right everyone, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all really soon. Bye.